Ain't no way.
Hello. We are finally going on a holiday. Yay! In this trip, we are going to Hanoi, and it's going to be a 7-day trip. We will spend 2 days, 1 night in Sapa, and also 2 days, 1 night in Halong Bay. Changi Airport is really nice. So clean, spacious, bright. Column 10. Oh yeah! Thank you. Thank you. Bye. At a Bun Cha restaurant. Apparently it's the Michelin Guide. This year's Michelin Guide. Ooh. This whole thing for how much was it? It's there. Going on a walking tour. Yeah.
July and August for everybody.
I guess like how long does it take for you guys from flying from France to Vietnam?
12 hours. Any for me time for
So if we invite someone to have a meal with us, we have to clean the top of the chopstick. Not because of it dirty or something, it's actually to show the respect, to say the thank you, to show the gratitude, to show how polite the Vietnamese food is as well. Some carrots right here, and inside is actually not pork, it's dog. I'm just kidding, it's beef. Just and also we just having just a little bit of the fish sauce inside, and also it's gonna be very refreshing as well. And also in order to have this one, you have to dip everything into the sauce.
Chicken dry pho.
So you can see on the top right here, we do have some mango, carrots, and pickle right here, right? And also we're gonna have some deep fried onion, some peanuts right here, and your favorite Vietnamese coriander as well. And we have some chicken as well. And way on the bottom, we have our sauce. The main taste of the sauce is actually came from the soy sauce, and there's secret family ingredients. I don't really know. In order to try the Pho Roll, the dry pho, you have to mix it up very well, all the way from bottom to the top.
That's how you cross the road. You just go. Wow. Are we back in the same street?
Yeah, we're back in the Steel Street.
Ah.
Okay. And this one right here is gonna be our third location.
Okay.
We're gonna serve you guys all kinds of traditional Vietnamese snacks. I think we're gonna have 5 people, including me. So we're gonna move just a little bit inside to have more space, okay?
Okay.
This one, the more traditional one, sweet donut, meat dumpling, and then the summer roll. That's one. As you said before, we do have a really easy recognize for you to know where is the local one. It has the face of the owner right there. like right behind you.
On the right?
Yes, on the right.
Yeah.
One here, right? It's going to be flavor food. Sure.
Maybe.
So this sauce is actually a quite familiar sauce to the pho, right? So inside we do have the combination of 4 different ingredients. Inside we have fish sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, and then water as well. And so you can see on the top we do have some unripe papaya and some carrot for you right here as well. Also some fresh veggie as well. You know why? Because we do have a lot of deep fried stuff right here. So in order for good for your stomach, good for your digestive system, and quite really easy for you guys to let it go. So we have some unripe papaya and fresh veggie here for you guys. Okay. So we're gonna head into. Actually, we're gonna have a meat dumpling. Gonna arrive here later. Okay. But the things I want you guys to try is actually to try the pillow over here. We smash it like it's wrapped by wheat flours, filled with pork. The inside we have smashed pork, just a little bit of mushroom, glass noodle, onion. And we have a small piece of red Chinese sausage inside.
Okay.
And give it a try, see what happens. And also I suggest you guys dip everything into a sauce to increase the flavor as well. And so we do have an original French name of this one. It's actually Joseph Cathedral, right? But in Vietnam, when they turn on the light inside, this big circle window right here, we only have 2 colors, which is the red and yellow. So it's matching the Vietnamese flag as well. All this stuff right here is actually a failure from the tax system of the Vietnamese government in the past. So the cost of the tax, it depends on how big is your front door.
Oh,
So Vietnamese people are really cheeky. I think it's not really cheeky, just being small, right? So we just create like a small group of people are sharing a really small front door. Inside we have like small playground and a lot of buildings are popping around that. It's like a small city. I think just a really small entrance like this one, I think inside is probably a living area of maybe 6 or 7 families. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inside this small alley right here, we have 5 families.
oh,
It's really interesting, right?
yeah.
Inside, we do have like a small red bridge which is lit right onto a temple, right?
Okay.
And way on the front, we do have another temple as well. We call it Pen Temple. And right here we have a really big mountain, right? But it's only have water at night. This street right here is very serious. So no matter what you do, just stay close to me, okay? I will lead you guys safely across the street, okay?
Nah, it's okay.
Walk slow, walk slow. Yay, we survived!
That's how you cross the street.
This one is actually the coffee store, but the coffee inside is very expensive.
Oh.
But many younger generation in Vietnam, we just standing outside and take a picture, upload to our social media, and just pretending that we already having something inside.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna have like a small shop too. So we have coconut coffee right here. You can see really delicious, right? Coconut, yes. And we also have a really delicious cup of salty coffee right here. It's very delicious, right? Cannot resist. Very beautiful. So we have egg coffee right here.